Imagine hitting the open road in a luxury camper van that's compact, yet packed with high-end features. Sounds like the dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to the 2025 Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB. This small but mighty RV is changing the game, offering premium comfort, advanced technology, and a sleek design, all in a size that makes traveling effortless. Stick around because I'm about to show you why this could be the ultimate van for your next adventure. If you've been searching for a camper that blends privacy and convenience without feeling oversized, the Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB is worth considering. With a hidden wet bath, a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, and luxury amenities, this van is built for comfort and ease. You might be surprised at just how much this vehicle has to offer. Let's talk about one of its standout features: the hidden wet bath. Unlike many small RVs that sacrifice bathroom space, the Pleasure-Way cleverly integrates a wet bath that disappears when you don't need it. This means more room to move around while still having the privacy you need. And when it's time to hit the road, the 9-speed automatic transmission makes driving a breeze. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising through scenic highways, this van delivers a smooth, fuel-efficient ride. Step inside, and you'll see that the Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB doesn't cut corners on luxury. With handcrafted cabinetry, premium leather seating, and top-tier appliances, the interior feels more like a high-end studio on wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, a large fridge, and plenty of counter space, making it easy to prepare meals no matter where you are. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like the perfect RV, but what's the catch? Well, while the Plateau XLRB is an incredible camper, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, storage space is slightly limited if you're planning extended trips with a lot of gear. However, Pleasure-Way includes innovative storage solutions like under-seat compartments and overhead cabinets to maximize every inch. Also, if you're expecting a built-in generator, this model relies on lithium batteries and solar power instead. Great for eco-conscious travelers, but something to consider if you need extended off-grid power. So, is the 2025 Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB the right RV for you? If you're looking for a compact yet luxurious camper van that delivers premium comfort without taking up too much space, this might be the perfect fit. With a hidden wet bath, an effortless 9-speed automatic transmission, and upscale interior features, it's designed to make every journey more enjoyable. Whether you're heading off on weekend road trips or cross-country adventures, this van has got you covered. And if you're interested in learning more, check out the link in the description, where you can explore all the details or even book a test drive. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe for more in-depth camper van reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you take the Pleasure-Way Plateau XLRB on your next trip in your